Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So today I'm going to do a review on this particular item, which is quite exciting because I'm actually quite shocked they'd do something like this because it's a dupe to something very popular that we know of. This is the new Barry M Unicorn Primer Drops Beauty Elixir. So it might be ringing some bells in your head. You might be thinking, this sounds so familiar, because it is. I believe this is a dupe to the Hiiii Unicorn Elixir, which is like £20. Very popular. All these Instagram peoples, they use it all the time. They pretend they're like crying and stuff, and they drip it on their face. So yeah, this is a dupe at a cheaper price because this is $7.99. I was thinking maybe $6.99 before I bought it, but it is $7.99. Decent, I guess, for what it has in it. So let me just read what it says on the back. It says, prep skin for the ultimate makeup application with this innovative oil-free elixir packed with superfruits such as acai berry, goji berry, watermelon and tamarind. This hybrid serum brightens, detoxifies, hydrates and smooths the skin for the perfect primer and skincare treatment. So basically the ingredients in here are really good for the skin. It's supposed to brighten, it's supposed to obviously prime the skin, and I guess you could say it's pretty hydrating as well because of the specific ingredients in there. So it's a hybrid serum, and the thing is, it looks exactly like, the colour is exactly like the Unicorn Elixir by Hiiii, and the fragrance on this, it smells like Nip and Fab. If you've ever smelt Nip and Fab Dragon's Blood serum or anything Dragon's Blood, it smells exactly like that. But the consistency is quite, you would think like a normal serum. It just really blends in. Because I was so excited when I saw this. Hong, actually, my best friend, messaged me and she sent me a picture of these when she was at work. And I was like, you know, I've got to buy that because this is really exciting. I've actually got two new products. It's obviously this one, and I've got this one as well by Barry M, which I'm about to do another review tutorial on in another video, so keep an eye out for that. But I'm going to start off with this first and continue with the rest of that in another video. So my face is already, like, you would say my skincare regime is already done because I've got a simple skincare regime by Proactive. So I use the toner, pore refining treatment and then moisturizer. I'm treating this as a primer as well as kind of like a skincare benefit. So I'm going to add some of this to the face. It says use under makeup to prime skin or on its own to hydrate, brighten and protect from the free radical damage. Shake well before use. Okay, so I'm just going to apply, I think maybe 2 drops on my hand, depending on how far it goes across my face, but I'm going to do 2 drops and I'm just going to do drops and I'm going to spread it across my face. It's kind of thick, but it smells nice. And then I'm just going to press it right into the skin. It smells so nice though. It smells really fruity. So basically what I'm going to be showing you in the video today is how the foundation applies on it. Just the little details about it. You can't really say much about a primer other than how it applies and then how it looks like right at the end. So basically, again, I'm just going to apply it like as I did, and then I'm going to apply my foundation on just so you can see how it applies on top of it. If it, like, sometimes primers can really mess up your makeup and make your foundation look like as if it's a layer on your skin, which I don't like. I don't think this will do that, but it's always good to test it out regardless. That's what a review is for anyway. So I'm going to test that out. And then I'll show you my face kind of at the end to show you how it looks on my skin. Hopefully it should look normal, and then I'll give you my final thoughts about it. So that's just how the video should be going. But I'm going to get on with the foundation. So I'm going to use the Rimmel Lasting Perfection Breathable in 103 True Ivory. And I'm just going to apply this all over my face. Alright, so the foundation is applied and so far so good, I guess. I mean, my foundation looks flawless on my skin. It looks nice. My skin looks hydrated. I don't see any rough patches. So far, decent. So there's really not much you can say about it other than it smells really nice and it makes my skin plump and hydrated. It makes my skin feel nice. So basically I'm just gonna skip all the way to the end where I've got everything done. You can see how everything sits on my skin. Hopefully everything's good. So I'll see you at the end. Alright, so the finished look. This is with the Barry M Treasure Chest palette. So if you want to see how I created this look, you can go to the other video, which should be out a little bit after this one. So the Beauty Elixir. Now that everything's done, my makeup's like fully on my skin, everything's finished, set, done. My skin does look plump, it looks hydrated, it doesn't look like my makeup's gonna fall apart, which is a good thing, thank the Lord. It looks great, and my skin feels soft, my skin feels plump, it feels hydrated, it doesn't look dry, it looks great. I have no problems with this. I'm going to use this consistently, so every time I do my makeup, which is almost every day for work, I'm going to use this and I'm going to apply it on my skin, see if I actually do see some more benefits. Maybe it will make my skin a lot more plumper. Not like my skin's already plump already, like, you know, I don't know. Again, I really like this. I feel like it does aid to my routine. I know that might be just psychological because of all the like goji berry, acai and all that stuff. But again, it's still something nice, and I don't use primers. So it's another way to add to skincare, also to prime the makeup before I put on my makeup. So I feel like it's a good thing to have. I always like having things like this in my makeup routine anyway, because I always have my, you know, toner, treatment, then moisturizer, and then I get on with the makeup. So it's nice to have one more thing. It sounds like a lot, but it's nice to have a primer that goes along that also aids to skincare, because I love my skincare. So this is kind of awesome. So $7.99. This should be coming out very soon. I should have said it's not out yet. Most of the things that I do reviews on aren't even out yet because I work at a drugstore and we get all the things in, all the new products in before they're even out. So I'm lucky enough to get my hands on them and buy them and do a review on them before they're even out. So yeah, this is $7.99. This is by Barry M. It should be coming out maybe in a week or two's time. Something like that. I don't even know if they've announced it on their Instagram yet. But yeah, this is coming out soon. I like it. See if you can get your hands on it. Feel the consistency. Smell it. Because that's a big thing when it comes to buying makeup as well, or anything, what you're putting on your skin. You want to know it smells good. You don't want to smell like crap. So this smells nice. It's one of those scents that you feel like is healthy for the skin. It's just weird. It just smells like it's going to do you good for your skin. But again, my skin feels great. It applied well. It applied like a serum would. So yeah, this is the Unicorn Primer Drops Beauty Elixir, a dupe to the Farsali Unicorn Drops, or the Unicorn Elixir, which is awesome because I've always wanted to try it out, but I just thought I'm never going to spend £20, £30 on an oil or an elixir. No, I'm not spending my money on that today. But $7.99, I can't say no to that. So yeah, so that is my thoughts, kind of review, first impression on this. Again, try it out if you can. I don't know if they'll release something more detailed and descriptive about it. Hopefully they do, so then people feel, you know, they want to actually try it out. Other than the fact that it's a good skincare and it's a primer, I think it's pretty cool. I'm going to keep using it. So yeah, so that is the review on that. If you guys did enjoy, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. Hopefully the Barry M one. You'll see how it worked out on my skin. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.